From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott.
I'm meteorologist Chris Mars.
I'm student meteorologist Matt Muller.
And I'm student meteorologist Angelica Cressley.
Here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Tuesday, November 25th. Well, guys, looking out the window, it's cloudy, it's damp, it's dreary out there. It's really getting you in the mood for those Thanksgiving dinners.
Oh, yeah, that turkey's looking real good right now.
Oh, absolutely.
But
And
I'm
if you're anything
thinking
like me, we all like to eat.
Yep.
All right, so today's climatology. Today's forecast high is 52 degrees, which is 3 degrees above our average high of 49, so pretty seasonable as far as this afternoon is concerned. The low this morning was 38 degrees, which is 8 degrees above our average low of 30 for today's date. Record high is 73 degrees, which was set in 1979, and record low of 12 degrees was set in 1960, which is absolutely awful.
Taking a look at the sky cam from Millersville University, as you can see, it's just kind of a drab image outside. There's a lot of clouds, it's really gray, and that's just going to be the story as we go throughout the day today. This is backed up by our visible satellite. Pretty much anywhere you look within the state of Pennsylvania, there's a pretty thick layer of clouds in place, and that's not going to change during the day today. Taking a look at our radar, there's some rain off to our west. That'll be moving east as the day goes on. So we'll have some periods of light rain going into this afternoon and throughout the night tonight.
As we take a look at the Euro model for 7 p.m. this evening, that disturbance that's going to be responsible for the rain is going to swing northeastward through the Commonwealth. And so that light rain will continue overnight and then taper off in the pre-dawn hours on Wednesday. Most areas will receive 1/4 to 1/2 inch of beneficial rain from this system. The only real impact to travel will be some wet roadways during this afternoon's PM commute. Then as we go into the day on Wednesday, that rain will move out, like I said, early Wednesday morning, and southwesterly winds will then usher unseasonably warm air into the region. So the record high here at Millersville of 69 degrees may be challenged or tied tomorrow afternoon. But you'll notice that there's going to be a cold front that's going to swing through the region then later Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night. Behind that front, just in time for Thanksgiving, we're going to have strong gusty westerly winds of 12 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour, which will be ushering a much colder and drier air mass into the region for Turkey Day. So in stark contrast to tomorrow, high temperatures on Thanksgiving will actually be a bit below average and only in the low 40s. And wind chills with those gusty winds out there will only be around 30 degrees. So you are going to need to bundle up before heading out the door to Thanksgiving dinners.
Looking at the forecast, tonight is going to be cloudy and mild with periods of light rain tapering off over the night with a temp of 48 degrees. Wednesday is going to be unseasonably warm with clouds giving way to some sunshine with a temp of 68 degrees. Thursday is going to be windy and colder with a mix of clouds and sun with a temp of 42 degrees.
Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Short-Term Forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, I hope everyone has a happy, healthy, and safe Thanksgiving holiday.